Have you ever looked at your life and thought, I want more? More confidence, more peace, more success, more strength, more freedom. But then the day starts. You check your phone. You delay your plans. You waste your energy. And at night, you feel disappointed again. If this sounds like you, listen carefully. Today is not just another English listening practice. Today is a wake-up call. Today is the day you stop sleeping with open eyes. Today is the day you remember who you can become. And while you improve your English, you will also improve your mindset. So sit straight, listen deeply, and let these words enter your mind. Part 1. Your life is being built daily. Many people think success happens one day. They think one lucky moment changes everything. That is false. Life changes in small moments, in hidden moments, in boring moments. When you wake up early instead of staying in bed. When you read 10 pages instead of scrolling online. When you practice English for 20 minutes instead of saying maybe tomorrow. When you keep going after a bad day. Your future is built quietly. A strong body is built workout by workout. A strong mind is built thought by thought. Fluent English is built word by word. A better life is built day by day. Never disrespect small progress. One page matters. One workout matters. One practice session matters. One honest decision matters. The people you admire did not become powerful in one night. They repeated simple actions for a long time. Can you do that? Can you stay loyal to small habits long enough to see big results? That is where winners are created. Part 2. Stop waiting to feel ready. Many people waste years waiting. They wait for motivation. They wait for confidence. They wait for perfect timing. They wait for support. They wait for fear to disappear. And while they wait, life moves on. Listen carefully. You do not need to feel ready. You need to begin. Confidence often comes after action, not before it. The first time you speak English, you may feel nervous. The first time you go to the gym, you may feel weak. The first time you start a business idea, you may feel lost. Good. That means you are growing. Beginners always feel uncomfortable. That is normal. Do not ask, am I ready? Ask, am I willing? Because willing people move forward. Waiting people stay the same. Start scared. Start confused. Start small. Just start. Part 3. Protect your mind. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant discipline, effort, gratitude, and courage, good things grow. If you plant comparison, laziness, excuses, and negativity, problems grow. So be careful what enters your mind. What do you watch every day? What do you listen to every day? Who do you spend time with? What words do you repeat to yourself? If every day you say, I am not good enough, your energy drops. If every day you say, I am learning, I am improving, I can grow, your power rises. Your thoughts become actions. Your actions become habits. Your habits become identity. Choose better inputs. Read useful books. Listen to strong messages. Practice English with positive content. Spend time with people who push you higher. You cannot build a beautiful life with a poisoned mind. Part 4. Use pain correctly. Everyone feels pain. Failure hurts. Rejection hurts. Being broke hurts. Loneliness hurts. Regret hurts. But pain can become poison or fuel. Some people suffer and quit. Some people suffer and transform. When life disappoints you, ask this question: will this break me or build me? Maybe someone doubted you. Use it. Maybe you failed before. Use it. Maybe you wasted years. Use that pain as fire. Many strong people were shaped by difficult seasons. Pain can teach patience. Pain can teach wisdom. Pain can teach hunger. Pain can teach strength. Do not love pain, but do not waste it. Turn it into discipline. Turn it into focus. Turn it into action. Part 5. Your habits reveal your future. If I watch your habits for 30 days, I can predict a lot about your future. If you sleep late, avoid learning, complain daily, and waste hours online, results will follow. If you wake with purpose, study consistently, train your body, control spending, and keep promises to yourself, results will also follow. Habits speak loudly. Many people want success with unsuccessful routines. They want confidence, but avoid discomfort. They want money, but avoid learning skills. They want fluent English, but never practice speaking. They want change, but protect old habits. This does not work. Results follow routine. So ask yourself honestly, what habits are helping me? What habits are hurting me? Then change one thing this week. Wake earlier. Read daily. Walk daily. Practice English aloud. Write goals each morning. Small habits can rescue a lost life. Part 6. Stop comparing your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20. Comparison destroys joy. You look online and see someone richer, someone stronger, someone speaking better English, someone with more followers, someone with a better life. But you do not see the full story. You do not see their failures. You do not see their lonely nights. You do not see the years of effort. Never compare your beginning to another person's middle. Your path is yours. Some people grow fast. Some grow slowly. Some start late and still win big. Your only real competition is the old version of you. Are you wiser than last year? Stronger than last year? More disciplined than last year? Braver than last year? That is progress. Look inward more than outward. Part 7. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation feels amazing. It gives energy. It gives emotion. It gives momentum. But motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. On days you feel inspired, motivation helps. On hard days, discipline saves you. When you do the work tired, that is discipline. When you practice English even with low mood, that is discipline. When you keep promises privately, that is discipline. You do not need to feel powerful every day. You need systems. A study hour. A workout time. A sleep routine. A reading routine. A no-phone period. Systems reduce excuses. Successful people are not always motivated. They are often consistent. Be consistent longer than others. That alone can change everything. Part 8. Speak with courage. Many English learners know enough words, but fear blocks the voice. Fear of mistakes. Fear of accent. Fear of judgment. Fear of embarrassment. Listen carefully. Mistakes are part of fluency. Children make mistakes while learning language. Beginners make mistakes while learning skills. Everyone starts imperfect. If you wait to speak perfectly, you may stay silent too long. Speak now. Speak badly if needed. Speak slowly if needed. but speak. Every sentence builds confidence. Every attempt trains your mouth. Every mistake teaches something. Silence feels safe, but it keeps you stuck. Courage feels uncomfortable, but it moves you forward. Use your voice. Part 9. Build respect for yourself. Self-respect grows when you trust yourself. And trust grows when you keep promises. If you say, "I will study today," then study. If you say, "I will wake early," then wake early. If you say, "I will stop wasting money," then stop. Every kept promise adds strength. Every broken promise weakens identity. Start small. Promise 10 minutes of English practice. Promise a daily walk. Promise no phone for 1 hour. Then complete it. You do not need to impress the world first. You need to become reliable to yourself. That creates confidence no one can steal. Part 10. 1 year from now. Imagine 2 versions of yourself 1 year from today. First version. Same excuses. Same delays. Same habits. Same fear. Same regret. Second version. Better English. Stronger body. Clearer mind. Better income skills. More confidence. More peace. What separates them? Not magic. Not luck. Daily choices. Tiny choices repeated hundreds of times. 1 year will pass anyway. The question is simple. Will time improve you or expose you? Choose now. Part 11. Final truths. Nobody can live your life for you. Nobody can practice for you. Nobody can heal for you. Nobody can grow for you. Nobody can become you for you. Help can come. Guidance can come. Support can come. But action must come from you. This is powerful news. Because if the problem is yours, the power is also yours. You can begin today. Read 1 page. Learn 10 words. Speak 5 sentences. Walk 20 minutes. Write 1 goal. Delete 1 bad habit. Forgive 1 mistake. Start 1 new chapter. Do not underestimate today. Many great futures begin in ordinary mornings. And maybe this is your morning. Say it quietly. I am not finished. I am still growing. I can change. I can learn. I can become strong. I can become fluent. I can build a life I respect. Now believe it. Then prove it with action.